Synapsis is the exchanging of genetic information between two homologous chromosomes in perphase 1 of meiosis 1. These two chromosomes above will divide and produce four daughter cells containing exactly half the genetic information compared to their parents. Seen above also is an illustration of synapsis from the macro level between two homologous chromosomes that form a structure called a tetrad. An important part about this diagram is that both these chromosomes contain a centromere, where two sister chromatids are formed together as one chromosome. We have individual 1 with the following two chromosome arrangements, and the periods stand for centromeres. There's a crossover between J and K, and the way I like to think of these lines as they're almost like tracks for cars to follow. They go through certain gates that give them certain arrangements at the end of their journey. Chromosome 1 is what we just traced, and it's going to be viable. The way that we can figure out if it's going to be viable or not is that it should match one of the parental chromosomes at the end. Chromosome 2, it follows its track and it crosses over right here at J and K, and it doesn't have the viability because it doesn't match one of the parents. Chromosome 3 also goes through here in this little road, and it does not have any viability. Chromosome 4 starts here because it's on a road that hasn't been used yet, and it crosses over between J and K, and it too is non-viable. Chromosome 2 has these two chromosomal arrangements and another crossover right between J and K, formed by the X. Chromosome 1 follows this road, and it stays on this road and ends here, and it is viable. Chromosome 2 starts here, and it crosses over right here at the X, and it ends there, and it is viable because it matches one of the parents. Chromosome 3 starts here, and it follows that loop, and it ends there. It's non-viable because it matches neither of the parents. And chromosome 4 is non-viable because it too crosses over, but it goes back to where it came from, and it doesn't have anything that resembles the parental chromosomes. Who has the higher fitness? It would be individual 2 because it has two viable gametes, and it compared to not chromosome, but individual 1 has one.